Welcome to the Privacy4Cars app walkthrough. Here we will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Privacy4Cars application. First, you will need to download the Privacy4Cars application on your smartphone. This can be downloaded from the Apple or Android App Store by searching Privacy4Cars. Open the application on your phone and begin by clicking Register. Then click Register with your work email. Enter your first and last name. Enter your corporate email address. You will then receive an email with a one-time PIN that you will need to continue. Go to your email and use the 6-digit number to continue the process. Next, you will be prompted to create your new password. Re-enter your password to confirm you've inputted it correctly. On this screen, you will select your dealer or dealer group and select the dealership that you are currently working at. To begin using the VIN scanning technology, you must grant the application access to use your camera. You will see at the top of the viewer that there are 3 options for scanning the VIN. We recommend using the VIN text or OCR option for scanning the dashboard VIN badge. You are now ready to begin scanning your first vehicle. Find the VIN badge located on the driver's side dashboard. Put the camera in OCR or VIN text mode. Point the camera at the badge to scan the vehicle. This will pull up the appropriate instructions to clear this specific vehicle. The next step is to go inside the car and select the image that most closely matches the infotainment unit in the vehicle. Once you've found the matching image, select Start Process. This will then take you on a step-by-step walkthrough on how to complete the wipe. Follow the steps displayed by following the numbers in sequential order and clicking Next after each step is completed. Once you have completed that, you will be prompted to provide us with some feedback. Please let us know if there were any problems that you noticed in the process. Finally, you need to ensure you have unlinked any garage door devices that may have been connected to the vehicle. If yes, follow the directions provided in the app to clear the connection. And that's it. Your vehicle has been cleared of all personal data of the previous owner. In the next video, we will walk you through the dealer portal where you can find all your certificates created for your data removals. Thanks for using Privacy4Cars, brought to you by HeyAuto.